What's up, Nova Nation? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are at the mall. I'm gonna go look at a few things. First thing is the Wicked collection at Box Lunch and Claire's. They have a planner I think I'm gonna snag, and then Box Lunch has a pink cardigan that I think I'm gonna snag as well. So I'm gonna get those two things. Aldo has a Wicked collection too, but I think I want their sneakers because one shoe is Glinda and the other one's Elphaba. I think I want to do that, and then they have like a matching purse to go with it with like charms and stuff. It's right down Vana alley. So I think I'm gonna get that as well. I didn't think I was going to go crazy on the Wicked collection, but I mean, let's be for real. This is the vibe for me. So I'm gonna go get those things, and I think that's it. I have a green juice here. This is my breakfast. If you don't know, I'm a juicing girl, and I went on a few juice fasts previously. The most recent one, I lost like 15 pounds or something like that. I'll leave a link down below to that. And am I missing anything? I also need to go to Lens Crafters, but I don't think I'm gonna do that today. I think I'm gonna go to Target Optical and Lens Crafters a different day. Like, the vibe today is straight up Wicked. What I'm hoping for the planner is that it fits an Erin Condren like A5 or something like that, because it's like a ring bound. It looks like it's an A5, but I don't know. It might be a custom size. Like the inside, the guts, I don't know if I'll use it primarily. It looks like good for brain dump, but I don't know if I'll use it for like a daily planner. But the tab I like. So I like the cover, the A5 binder, and the tabs. The insides of the planner though, I need it to be super functional. So I think I'm switching to EC this year. We'll see. Let's get into it though. So I'm back from the mall, and I grabbed a few things from Claire's and then from Forever 21 of all places. I went to Box Lunch, but they didn't have the cardigan I was looking for. It's online, so I'm gonna go ahead and order it online, I think. But from Claire's, let me show you what I grabbed. So this is the planner I was talking about. It looks like an A5, but it doesn't have actual measurements. So I'm gonna go home and compare it. It just appears to be. And it has like these gold sequins that kind of like, I should look and see if the other ones kind of like are better at moving around, because these sequins kind of don't move. So it has these gold sequins, and it's super cute to me. On the back, it has Elphaba and Glinda. And then of course on the inside is the actual planner with tabs. Let me see if I could quickly show you. So these are what like the tabs and stuff look like. So I'm feeling that. As a planner girl, I'm feeling this one. I have to go home and see if it actually works for me though, because it has to be functional, otherwise I'm gonna have to bring it back. But to pair well with it, I grabbed this cute bow because I thought this was cute to accessorize it with. And then I grabbed the Wicked keychain because I was like, oh, that'll be a nice planner charm. Like if I could hook it inside and then have it like hanging like this, I thought that would be cute. So that's what I grabbed from Claire's. And then from Forever 21, I just grabbed some body mist because I like to spray body mist after I get out the shower, like right after I get out the shower. And the 3 scents I got are Sunset Hibiscus Paradise and Coconut Lime Oasis. There's one more. I forgot I got this one. This one is Palm Tree Please by Juicy Couture. Those are the 3 body mists I got. And I was going into Forever 21 to look for the Wicked collection because I heard they were having one. And the manager confirmed that they are having one. So I'm gonna go ahead and swing on back next week if they have something. I also looked at a few vintage Louis bags because I'm a vintage Louis bag girl. I like the quality of the leather on them, and they're very hard to find. Like if you want a specific one, it's not hard to find a vintage leather Louis, of course, like that's easy to find, but if you're looking for a specific style, and the specific style I'm looking for, I did find it, but I'm gonna hold off on it. I am gonna show you and insert the clip here. It's super cute. It's similar to like the size of a Neverfull, but it's more structured than a Neverfull, and that's why I like it. And it has a zipper to close the top. It has compartments like with its zippers and everything. The Neverfull has a zipper on the inside too, whatever the case is, but everything in this one just seems a little bit more structured, a lot slimmer too, so it's not like spilling all over the place. I'm still a Neverfull girl, but this one I think I might have to add to the collection. Mag previously got me this one, which is super cute too. I love it because it's so portable. I could just grab and go, right? right? Like it's so easy. The one that I was looking at is kind of like a step up in size from this one, like maybe 2 steps up in size from this one. And I think it'll be another good one to add. So we'll see. That one is to be continued. So I'm gonna go home, enjoy the rest of my day, go on a walk, because this morning was super gloomy and now the sun is shining, the birds are chirping. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy a walk and do some active recovery this evening in the pool. Okay, so I've made it back to the house and I have the planner here. I've put it together somewhat. I put the bow on here and then I have the keychain underneath, which I think I'm gonna make the keychain longer because that's just how I want it. But issue with this, I don't know if the front is supposed to, like, I feel like it should be able to like shake wherever you want the gold flakes to go, but the back is doing it but the front's not doing it. I don't know. I kind of bought it for the gold flakes, so I don't know. I'm gonna go see if there's another one that maybe moves around a bit better. Like on the logo portion it gets kind of stuck and I'm like, that takes away the fun. So I don't know, we'll see about that. Like I said, I'm probably not going to be using the inserts because look at the inserts. It's like, I'm not using this as a monthly planner. It's not dated. I like my planners to be dated. I did measure it. It can't fit, like it's smaller than like a standard happy planner, right? So that's a standard happy planner and then that's the Wicked one. And then when I looked into the size of an A5, this is like an inch shorter or smaller in some way. I forgot which, if it was length or the height. And I don't know if the A5 inserts will fit here. I'll have to measure that out as well. I don't have an A5 here. I thought I had like one of my old school KQKs or something like that, but I don't. So I have to just go online, look, and then measure it out because I was planning on getting like an Erin Condren, either like an A5 or one of the petite planners for next year. And actually even for now, like Q4, if I do the petite planner, you can order, it comes in like packets of quarterly planners. So I was gonna do that, but I don't think this will fit it. So now it's like a bit of a conundrum. What do I do? Do I maybe keep the bow and the charms and return the planner because I'm probably not gonna use it, but I can use the charms and it still says Wicked and it's still super cute, you know what I mean? Like that's super cute and the bow is just clipped onto there. This is what I was talking about, extending and making longer. But yeah, the bow you could clip wherever you want because it's like a hair clip, but you could clip it onto wherever you want, you know? So if you want a cute little planner accessory, that's one way to do it. But for sure, keeping the charms and the bow. On the fence about the planner. Love it. It's super cute. Don't know if it's practical. So this is the entire collection that I have. It's the Glenda Elphaba cups from Stanley and then the planner in the middle. I think I'm also going to get a cardigan. Like I said, that's the only thing that's missing, but then I'm done with like the whole Wicked collection. Like this is my jam. I love everything about this collection. It's so pretty. And then like I said, I'm gonna fix up that chain and we are perfecto. So let me know what you think I should do with the planner in the comment section below. And then of course, when I order the cardigan, I'll show that as well. All right, so it's day 3 of my juice fast and I'm gonna quickly go through my weigh-in. So this morning I weighed myself and I was 229. So I'm officially in the 20s. Yes, your girl. Yay! I'm very excited about that. I don't think I've been in the 20s. Let me see. I actually keep a list of like milestones and stuff as far as my weight goes, and it wasn't compiled over time. It was me going back at the beginning of this very journey and saying, hey, what was my weight beforehand? Like, how did I even get here? So it was more of a research of how did I even get here? And now it's like more of, okay, these are the milestones I gotta meet to get back to this date. So if I'm 229, which I am, then I'm back to 2019. When I made a video, I went from 230 to 222. So I'm pretty much at my August 2019 weight, which is exciting. And hopefully by the end of this fast, I'll be like around 225-ish or somewhere in between there. I'm drinking my juice now. This is my first juice for the day. This one Mag made, so I'm not even too sure what's in it or whatever the case is. My goal for today really is to just vibe and enjoy today for what it is. So mental health wise, so mentally, I feel like this fast is going 1,000 times better than the previous fast. It's not nearly as hard, but it is annoying because I do want to eat. Like, I just want to eat. It's not like I'm hungry, but I get annoyed because I don't get to do what I want pretty much. So I'm not struggling or anything like that. I'm for sure gonna be making that 10-day. But I did some body shots today with this very outfit that I'm wearing now. And I wanna show it to you guys because it's like, wow, look at the progress I've made. So I'm gonna insert the pictures here. And as you can see, previously, which I forgot to add the date, dang it. Okay. So the first picture is from June, and then the second picture is from today. So I noticed like quite a bit of difference, like especially like in my face area, and I'm looking at the picture on my phone, so that's how I'm able to see it. So especially in my face area, I see like a big change, and then maybe like a little bit in my arms. So I'm pretty happy for that progress. It's definitely taken a lot of hard work, but consistency is key. And I'm excited to see what maybe my December update will look like, or my January update will look like, but I don't even want to get ahead of myself because I'm like, oh my gosh, who knows what I'll be by that time if I continue like on the same path. Oh, what's up? I just uploaded another video on YouTube. I've really been killing it lately, and I'm very proud of myself for showing up for myself, because what's going on in my health and fitness journey is spilling into other areas of my life, which I knew it would. I had a high suspicion that that would be the case, and I'm excited about that, because me showing up for myself in that journey, now I'm showing up for myself on my content creation journey, and who knows what's next. It's already been happening in my spiritual journey. Yeah, I just gotta take another sip, because who not showing up for themselves? Not I. That is actually very refreshing. In a little bit, I'm about to go on a walk because I do need to get my cardio in. I do have a treadmill right here, but outside is so beautiful today. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some sneakers, maybe ask my brother if he wants to join me. I'm trying to get him to start making YouTube videos again too, because he did it for a little bit and then stopped. So I'm trying to get him to be more consistent and do the YouTube thing and just try it, because he's such a creative person just naturally. And then there's people who are like, you know, who are just born with it, you know what I mean? So I feel like he'll be good if he isn't. I feel like he'll be good if he's like consistent. And he's been going to the gym consistently too. So we started that fitness journey like together. So I think he'll be good for it. I'll let y'all.